I'm Dr. Lola. Today I'm going to treat you. Soon you'll be fine. 1, 2, 3, let's go. You don't seem well. Your tummy's growling. I think you're sick. Let me take a look. Oh, you need some snacks. I'll get you some treats. But make sure you eat on time. Thank you, doctor. Next patient. You don't seem well. Your leg is sore. You can't move well. Let me take a look. Ouch! Oh, you've got a sprain. You need some ice and keep it raised. Thank you, doctor. You're great. Next patient. You don't seem well. You're feeling hot. I think you're sick. Let me take a look. Oh no! Oh, you've got a cold. Drink plenty of fluids and get some rest. Thank you, doctor. You're the best. Yay! Doctor's orders. Doctor's orders. You look so pale. Your cheeks are warm. I see you're ill. Let me bring you comfort. Oh my. Oh, you got a flu. Sipping tea and resting up. Healing vibes. Let's lift you up. Woo! Oh no! Hooray! I'm gonna climb a tree. Ouch! I hurt my hands. Who can help me now? Hey, my little friend, I'm gonna fix you up. Paramedic, help you heal your wounds. Paramedic, everything will be good. Let's play with ball.